Jo ebusiafo edobi ase wa obaba so bia mesrew se obehye video no na video na kwechiri na obia enya video info so medin check kase de ma freedom fighters titiru yepeni Dr. Ren Abraham Bemoshe fire from above free mind nation fire of your CSF 44 sugar drops and the say mama ba amazing na na shedi ye do obi ase ene no supporter or supporting freedom fighters ya punchy baby loopholes wo na ya fele gaps no wo ba so peshe video no afi mi de aseda kase pa de ma Wise Africa Youth in Penifo Papa Laji Mr. Henry Mr. Yamiche Mr. Fred Mr. Osei ma Portia Bra Joseph Kobena Onoma me Jobi Biase Mr. Frederick Mr. Alfred Boating baby I will be so Michelle Wonso I sometimes Mr. Dimia me ye video ni bi na say answer me ye video no abantia wotumu say me nia bere na me ye dede Mr. Henry yeah, good afternoon, Michia. Reto Mary, say hello, Michia. Also, and I made check a sema, Medofopa, Rashida to Ibrahim. I haven't won the enough for the fight in Tenedia. I think some are born correct in Tinadia or Beframin, my better man, so be auntie Rashida to Ibrahim. So, Shamia, maybe I will be a Michia. I have video to go. What was a mere video no abantia? Never near brie video to be so. Na matome boase na maye video no boko munim bibi video we no esa metome boase na menya botere na me chekere nsem na me kai wo niam bia etwema yate say justice enemy yabo it is alleged say wakwaje bribe na bribe na wakwaje no amafo bebre bi say na a Supreme Court Chief Justice Ghana hay na ya judge pon Gano men na get the penny. Na say ya de sa bribery allegation ato no so a. Adentina up to now yan change judge ni ngina nchen. Say onje na dwuma nto. Ana say onon kasa on resigning ana say aban ana say Akufo-Addo. Ama ni ngina nchen because Ghana asisi ya kasa. The three organs of government no, the judiciary, the executive and the legislature no. The executive is the highest and the executive no the other no the president in Ghana no aside say chief justice and unruly 2020 election in the favor of MPP Akufo-Addo better na so no Akufo-Addo owo tumi chen obia e wo Ghana hase nti manfo bi say adenti na yede $5 million allegation to chief justice so na order so tia akonwa no so metre mu batiase echina Anna may destroy Chief Justice, but enano I want you to understand certain things. Let me be a wajimu, and never be a wajim call. Say Abakaya 2020 election. Yay, na you say about one Ghana Constitution. Voting na voting ruler yedi yaman penino. MPP, FLE, NDC, FLE. Therefore, the president that we have now, president is Excellency Akufo-Addo. Omaina odiaso no, odiaso based of the Omani interest. Number odiaso based on Supreme Court ruled on the favor of Onona Akufo-Addo. Omampeni Akufo-Addo ya no. Onye omampeni based on the free choice of the people, but it is based on the free choice of the Supreme Court because Constitution emma the people opportunity to vote 50% plus 1 vote for any person. Your first say the people ne pay answer na emrana man kwan say to aba na some abato no mu no nipa nya 51% 50% plus 1 voter the total vote cast na they get 2 year abadodo na ya 2 year no say ye nya 50% plus 1 voter sa ni po benya sa 50% plus 1 ono ana embra constitution ema no kwan say ondi yaso but here comes the situation ya to aba no 50% plus 1 obi enya NDC force no result no kululu bemu nti omo de court no so easy Obapa Jane Mensa ese se oba court na oba chiremu no sa judges ya anti my chief justice connection man or your connection chi obi a obiase if you know about the allegation so omo ye connection sir the will of the people was not done in court omo you see omo court authority and the Supreme Court judges aye enim yabo a ene ne nkrofo aye kanana sa na meka no ena omo ruling in the favor of MPP obi anim Ghana ha we achinye nim amanfo no musuro so bekasa but yen no the kind of akomedi yemu ene honhoma ede ye adwuma no say yakasa yensuro mampani yensuro MP yensuro chief justice sabi predecessor sabi wajimi a obaje wode ya baka throw straight ana no kora no so mpenisi de ade de no wan fanto a efrito da bi ade de no ya de beto wo sade be ya wuti a na wadwi mu aye ofan no kora ba ko pe no kora ye mienu and no amount of lie can defend one single truth inti no kora mu no ye na ye nim say aba ye to ye Akufo-Addo we win election ana court sa enim ye bo ya oye kululu ye na sa na enim because nyansemu say ya to aba na electoral commission electoral commissioner chairman abakasa na kasa na ana result no da aba no ento afa ba ko ento maso na ye da asam no e de kokota ye kopie court wo no ese say questions a amafo wo a e kire say ento asum no omoma no kwan na mbagina de kem na omu bisa no question menua wo kan say ne ete wo kan say ne ete wo kan say e ba ne say ne we ye say ne bisa no sa questions na court wo omu frɛ no e bia cross examination and interrogation and cross examination court na say or no right am away most of the sensible people in this country reasonable journalists nipa bebre akasa say sade o maye ebema institutions ni bebre are corrupt because say nipa no won free will say ya do maya hye na wo the account bi aba na account na ntwasum na ba account ya wo say you free will wo pa na opa court wo pa na wo court enti akina bi ya ka say pani bi ko disika e wo institution bi ano na wo de ko gina court a onu so be you see the same article or pa na oba court or pa na on court and that trended allegation and I say Chief Justice Akwaje obi bribe sanete $5 million and then trending bebre na bi say oje na dwuma to dem me pese me bi e wadwe mu ho ne say don't forget sa na dwuma na obeja to no why na ba man sa why na oba command say Chief Justice resign why na ba pama Chief Justice na kasa on resign here iti authority ban to me ban ana obi wa oba ma Chief Justice oba command na say Chief Justice gina nchan ya da some way ato so na yenya hwehwemu nobody can do that the fact is fact nobody should call me and tell me say commando and there's a kesa wo pio man yeye me pio man yeye mama nka no kore nkyerɛ mama mo wi say ekonya na ado efa so bete na akɔwia no so no ɛyɛ Supreme Court ɛnyɛ abatwo nti ɛnyɛ abatwo na ɛyɛ Supreme Court no Chief Justice nankasa enim yɛ boa nankasa ɔmo na ɔmo ruling in the favor of Akufo-Addo nti bebia Akufo-Addo connection bi akɔ so a ɛma ya Akufo-Addo nya akɔnwa no so tena ye no wo fi say Akufo-Addo betumi eyi ne trofu edi so obaka Chief Justice onye de dwuma nto a question dwene ho but the me person be ka kire youth ni nyina ne say we are youth now we are conscious ebusafo video ni share mami we are youth now we are conscious na wadwen no emabie na wo dwen te say nipa na sabi wuti no sabi mpredesa ebi mo wa omo sa wo ka nokora no afa no mu begimi wonim na wo kan kwasiasam sabi se wuti no ebi kafra wo didi afacha me se wuti no ebi na eguma mamu go hye yansa wa wo de wa wagimi no kan kwasiasam e wa comment wo de comment foolishly kan kwasiasam wo comment ni mu wo bate wo samia dia me pese me bia wadwim wo say wo fi say sabi predecessor sami minim wo secret e wo obi bi ma wo betime yi secret ana wonim me secret me so minim wo secret me pa jo betime yi bedi Chief Justice oni Akufo-Addo secret It will free says so ampala. Akufado, a better catch Chief Justice. Ya the allegation at also, sir, why obi bribe because we are judge. Judge no, embra mount quine said je bribe. And that be embra mobile quite on je bribe. Now come to me judge. Judge any day, you were a dear be a friend. Mirefi article no e bia chena me fire me koti article no eno no we a judge ya wo a reasonable gift bi ana obetumi age na no na kwaye se e bia we a judge wo adamfo bia e bia wonim na afia so a okeso we a judge nim yeboa na wo adamfo na wadamfo ne sheikh imam e first chief imam na chief imam sala so no obeche wo nentwie ba ko se o minua ji na fadi wo sala me pa chew eno no it's in normal sense e fa anase ebeche wo nentwie ba ko e aponche ba e odwan ba ko se ji odwan na kum na wunu webusuafo fadi sala e make sense. But for somebody to go to extent and now for a judge to go to extent of demanding $5 million from Obi, from ordinary citizen, and I say from Openibi, why you kululu abuano, now we deny some amana. It's quite some way. Let's think. Yanjina dianuye. The problem again for facing now. Hey, judge, this judge. Ghana for, I tell you, your problem Akufo-Addo di feminine la because Akufo-Addo nim say Ghanaians are disappointed in him. About one yantu abano inti ono oye president based on the favor of the Supreme Court judges, not based on the favor of the people. That is why Akufo-Addo doesn't care about you. Ebusiafo video ni share mami. And then me kan wasama bia wadwen kwan ko ho. Me say brana Akufo-Addo ama citizens in yebre amani Akufo-Addo ode Ghana for ekom no Akufo-Addo ni say Ghana for yi ni maye abato ne yanto ama no iti ono president no no ye no ono ni say enyenye ne yeto abama no ankofo omo ye kululu ebo omo omo beje onya atumi no. That is why enche so baka ya na watch me enu kra mbaye and the judges for yetoto omo sika bi yetoto omakati. Have you forgotten? Enche ye 2 weeks mbaye share video money 2 weeks mbaye and the judges akete ye dey yetoto mu ni mpanefo edi na chi ministers epia na amani kodu bebi odu enche ye afei and that 3 days yasi ya momo ya kwaje bosia $28 million ana $28 million ya kwaje loan na ya to cars amomo na mpacha buying this cars for these politicians doesn't solve the problem of this country. No. Why? Because Akufo-Addo know the people are disappointed in him. Therefore, the people didn't vote for him and is not willing to do anything to favor the citizens. That is why he's doing his bidding by Omo Buano. Why didn't call well? Journalists be can be with that. Meboa. Me see journalists no mugu Ghana hano. Oma jin yejuma. Di omafu ebenyan kwa no omo jin. Mo say echina mo de echina me baba fire echina me come bush wo na echina mo bate mo say Kennedy Japan abaka say na kwenta aye Joy News owner na ka say this government Akufo-Addo government no on my Joy News say they are going to sabotage the government, but on Kennedy Japan workers ni bi ewo Gabi fie. That means on Kennedy Japan nanka say ya say MPP for no they always bribe sanity, they always bribe the Joy News ya batu aba ya kechire mu sadia aban start say kwa NGTV NG FM and some radio station start say the result no a cookie up stories a cookie result dey ba no. People, smart people were saying, say, no, journalists need to bribe. Kennedy Japan are confirming. Kennedy has confirmed, say it is true. Because this government is not doing what it's supposed to do, what is it has been doing as usual to Joy News. So, Joy News, I am not just say, Joy News, because Joy News is penino Kennedy Japan na kwanta wa akwa ne nchen e wo no an office akwa kire ni say they are going to sabotage this MPP government. It's Kennedy kire say okohun Joy News workers ni bi e wo Gabi fee. What were they looking for? Therefore, Kennedy person say they are still taking it. Share. Be smart. Don't be deceived by this wicked politicians. Kennedy say your money 2 years, sir. Me say, share. A china video, my and well, one shot, watch it, boom, where I have me studio. Studio, so I am in person, make a send me the a china video, may watching passay. A china video, may watching passay. Now, wouldn't you? Now, can't pass your son or comment in him. We bush your phone, you'll be about it. Just a bibini, where she may say, Kennedy. Just say, almost a what kind of cry. No, where Jimmy, ma. You are near towards Africa, ye. What a comment foolish be about it. Anti Macatram say, this MPP, Canada Japan say, so or yet president, or best fix this country with style. I will do it with style. Canada Japan, so bet to me the 2 years, HNG this country. Who bet to me the 2 years after this country. What by now also, that's a woman for Yansano and Koma Akufuado, now Kufuado for 3 years and fixing this country. Do you think we are fools? They think we are animals. They think we do. Omoje say ye yanjin. Omoje say ye be before no. Anagana for no yanjin. Wo were 2 power. Wo were power. Who about to me the 2 weeks, 2 years after this country. Don't forget. I go for the Tanabroche so many years. Or catch us on the 18 months. What can we serious? Because I go for the table and tell I go for the table and tell or catch us say on the 18 months, a year 1.5 year, 1.5 years. 1.5, no, so the best fix this country. Or can say, or Bagana, or the 1.5 months, that is 18 months, or the best changes this country. Or what, when you're 5 years, or when you're 5 years, you're the car, or no quad by a car 184.6 billion new Ghana cedis. 184.6 billion Ghana cedis. Me pacho. What have we achieved? She said they achieved say Ghana sikano on to me shana yere into the many sika be eden e be shana yere. We yere won to me shana fa no kom we nebusuafo e wona akwaje no. Metiwe me wale me yere na me to me shana and one say bossu your pikin I no go fit take care of am. This be your pikin. Take am. O man na ho chiri wom ya kwan ye emerewafo bre health insurance igu. Free, me say, your education system igu. Hospital, me say, embark or a bit the foam and ell. Embark or hospital, or bit the foam and ell. Na moko Bob Bosia, na money minyansa. Say your Bob Bosia 28 billion at the Tokasa. Money minyansa. Say your Bob said 28 billion at the talkers Emma parliamentarians in them. Now, Pacho, when I did matemno because in somebody do what the call Jim no say penny na boss abrewe na yam kwala anka o man crack the youth no and the youth no ya boss abrewe ya anka penny fo amote e wa mo hwan penny a wo hwa me what are you going to tell me wo ba ka chem say ya de ma youth no o mo de o man sika e de play man sam penny fo nkwasiafo penny fo emwa penifo ma adwen enye adwuma enkwasiafo nwan ya do man hya mo nsa mo mabusuafo nko na ese di ye mo mabusuafo na ese di ye mama mbra justice no kon e fansa chief justice enim ya bo na connection so montie asam ne mu ye asam ne mu tie mu ye na oyene no de nsem bi ababonten o pese oba kira se dia ekoso no oni mo hwe but there is a question montie question onhini bi mama ngba ni di ye oji man brenu ata the sixth oji man brenu oji man obrenu ata the sixth onhini oni Ghana Telecom ewo assassin issue ana ope lawyer Inti lawyer no ope no. Lawyer some no obi chere say oh, onim lawyer bia, lawyer no wakwadere embrem. Na omusu se sanansaka sa lawyer na asam no. Lawyer no betuma aboa no, ama nansaka wedi bim e wa asam no ho. Ana okofa lawyer. Lawyer no yafa no Akwesi Afrifa eso. Akwesi Afrifa owo Kumase oya lawyer we obi a wudi court nsamechi ana wo follow emra wo benim sa lawyer no oya popular lawyer wo Kumase chief enim yaboa chief justice no onim sa lawyer no academically ye kwagina court na se ogina chief enim na nkasa nim se ontumi win case e wo no nanim se omudi case to na se chief justice oya lawyer na Afrifa no so ya lawyer no ogina nchen chief justice ni nim say nanim ultimate dibim e wo nanim and another thing they say chief justice e corrupt na sa judge no sa lawyer no on ya corrupt me prove ni na document no you understand document no it is everywhere inti ya fe no ba catch say a speculation no I have the fact me what document no social media ya catch am see say ni braba say ya kan wasam na wonti asa court entum fa ya ko ya the document baba na ya be prove ya ho chief justice issue ni nie enti oyene no okofa lawyer no na asam ne yedi no Cape Coast High Court enti na ofiri Kumase na wafa plane na waba na obedi asam odi asam ba ko mienu ana oyene hwe sadia efirifa edi case na wanya hope enti okatire efirifa se okatire efirifa se sadia wasi di asam ne de wenwu se ne lawyers na owo omdada no omumbade mbonso emi nti oyesa nko beji omo ana okache ne se enye wo lawyers a obeji omo nti no obafa mi na fa na obafa mi no obafa mi se membo a na wo case na wone Ghana Telecom ewo no yambo a ne di nkunim nti obaaya enu nti no obaaye nti mo ye na adwen se obasake ne lawyers no na ojai ne lawyers na ono so beji adwuma na wako. That is the statement from oyeno no na ya fa say the Afrifa no na onyini ni case a ode call court ne say ode come ya fa say general fa say general legal council general legal council ni case a ode call ne say ni sika bi ekwedi Afrifa ho ni sika bi ekwedi Afrifa ho na according to Afrifa no na sika na ono onyene ne ka wasam ani de Afrifa e ka wasam no different me nchire mu nkwechire different na say lawyer no pese o kire say sika na o charge Afrifa no more than the Afrifa charge no be Afrifa so kire say sika na o de man no ye fan say 5000 ana 3 billion 3 billion o man 3 billion ana 3 billion no sika o de charge no se nyasa na sika na o charge no more than 3 billion na 3 billion no de o tia man nti dey ba ne say sika na o tia man we no ono onyeno na fefa nchan ama wekoye chief justice ma chief justice aka kire ne say asama no eye document epia bonten chief justice ni din akwa eden ekopiem ewo Afrifa na se mesramo minya call ewo me phone so ntimo fa nchame dia ba ne say sansama mekeka no judges no wonsam na epie ni na eye enkomodi a eye ohene no ana one Afrifa no edi sankomo no nti ohene no akire Afrifa say ode asam na akodan chief justice ama chief justice aka kire ne say oh obetumi opeso win ni case na o man $5 million na $5 million no ohene no kura dikan den etie bi dada wetia $5 million no wetia bi dada amount otia na ehunya wedika etia bi dada enti Afrifa no anka Afrifa no man balance no na onfa balance no nkoso so na onyini ni ndi asama na mano na e fa say chief justice no onyini ni ngiska na komfa chief justice na chief justice mboa no na ontumi onwini case no na obaji ya fa say case no Afrifa ni nsem enti Afrifa no ya smart o woni say assembly ko pie chief justice no and on information say onyene nankasa so ni mpenifo onim MPP guru so onim bi enti sadia onim say onyene ni yo obi a onim de onim court nsansan mu nti on petrol nti obetu ni sika ma no enti first otua sika no mu ya fan say otua schedule 50% later in the later osan betua additional your fan say otua 50% no osan betua schedule your fan say 35% na ka schedule 15% 50% na aka no ohene no say your fan say free fan say or court wo Thursday no be court asam no asam mo gusudi so ko pie wa or the balance ne be dey ebeko asam na speculation no ohene no person o chesa asam dey speculation ba wa ba bonten abakasa afa asam no na asam speculation asam speculation you respond that is the question ya asam o to so na wunnim je because time a wuji usika ewe firi for wana am se sika namba no we dey wad some kodan legal counsel and a legal counsel no ato nsafre fensan e firi fa no it is a speculations we aba why can't you wait say speculations ni konkodu ye fensan legal counsel wo na legal counsel no ento nsafre afi ansana wo by rebuttal it this speculations ni na is around chief justice yan fan say de ye kan na enye nokre it is asem we aba na say aban no what is asem we ever with chief justice bribery case we say police for asem man en ka ba friend say or you suspect of taking bribe or you suspect of bribery iti then ya be one first na ya hwehwe nsem who is going to do that is the question why nobody decide we and nothing na make catch us say we youth na we follow me ebusiafo business na ben yedi before me catch ya social media na ye wono ya we are not here to beg for money ya mba say bese sade sabi producer business na ben ment na ho ya say wo be hu say owo ana onanka nam wo be hu say oyeda no na ye nuanam sidemufo no ya hwini na masa sawo dia ya catch wa oh ne yankopon say owo yanwe oh ne yankop before be hu say yeda no before be hu say taste no efa wo no mage yeda no na entafo no ya hwini na manasa nti no na make catch us a business na ben wo pesa wo join business na 0545996299 0545996299 wo wia wo pe business na me wie video no fra me send me the business information na me send business na ma na show business sika adwuma brana ba invest na make money for free while sleeping enye de bia sa wo be ye ya enye concrete na wo be so ne de bia na be mo ye enye carpenter de bia na wo be mo ye enye salary na wo be je no adenti na nipa ko be tene biase na 365 days in a year no wo da wo be ji sika 12 pe gen ho ya fanto nchane yanto edwuma no so. And the question is, who is going to do that? Why never chief justice agent nchen? Wa bra Ghana ebe peja rough. And it's make am say, we are youth na wutie me a. Ma wadwen no, bie wadwen ni mu. Me this politicians and that MPP na ndisi ye ni mu. Bie wadwen mu. Wo kwoto aba, fa wuti kwoto aba. Me mo be for 5 million and that me mo be for public toilet obesi wo area and that na public toilet no onyensi yi no sabin producer na wonni gen achina ena meye video bi na me da akofo ado sabi ni nsam hunu na okafa teacher wono teachers wono say do man expect say wo be ye teacher na teacher no yes eno kra teacher services and yet billionaires club and a millionaires club eno kra majatum president so president die o mampani die so services because sa wo ka say wo besom oman a wo na wo besom oman no enye oman na ebe de e besom that is why so oman ni nkoyi ya one na wo do sika because sa wo pesa wo ye campaign na wo besom oman there is no way say wo be kwa aban no wo say aban mo na me baba so mu nti Ghana commercial bank ma usika na for be campaign na win election wo pesa wo so man wo pesa wo so man ni yenti na wa wudu bottom sika e de ye campaign na so win election wa be so man no but Ghana penifo emboa enkwasiasam nti omo ne mo MPs say omo betena be ma sikadie ene nkwasiasam ko na ye omo de na mo de munya botre ye se ni mo wantumi wa ehu etete wontuma na insuo ta pontre ni a oje wo da youth nya baje wo no obi abaje na fikasta me catch am da youth no ye bu befu aje ba sole gidim mu be ye mo bo Ghana ase ɔman na yato aba ma mo na moyɛ mpanifo na yɛde ɔman ni 2 minutes sika ina ahyɛ mo nsa no moyɛ ntotoyɛ na ya wontwan no mo akwatena mo bo ɔman ni busi aguo na mo da tota gas na madam na mo awu akɔ youth ni yɛ ne yɛn babrɛ mo do ɔman ni sika na bɛhwɛ mo yɛrenom ana mo mpanafo nyankopɔ betua mo ka sɛ mo nyankopɔ betua mo ka no nya nyankopɔ kwa nyankopɔ ne bonsam yɛ kwalabo na afiwe omutua mo ka wo fa ka wo nya accident pai na president bi awu na minister bi accident pai na wawu na pre na tiahye na minister ten gum na wawu me se mo bra mo bebrɛ me se ebi mo bɛni no madi nkwasiafo ya to aba ma mo hye youth brɛ na ekoma adi nipa nkwala at school nkonja kuro mo nya bi chalk and boba na nkwala de mouse etwra de na sa na mo wo nyina Ghana mpedifo mfa ho akofo ado be komichi 200 million se fa ntia wo yere boso mi nya me betua wo ka aboafun wuti se bin ebin aboafun ya to aba ma o se be sesi o man na awotomlo man ni mu no awo kire o man wo mi nala what I was saying, yentua wo yere ka na yem backdate from 2017 mo dia munnim dia ba mo Ghana mpanifo munnim dia ba youth in samai imagine say mo bekunya ya we will die with you samai imagine say mo bekum youth now we will die with you useless leaders and kwasiafo a munitire adwe a yefa na adwe kra ni bi sa de mo asese mu fie Ghana man no etse mu fie anka se de mo asese mu hwe se de mo asese mu fie de mu fie amutim o man no so sa na esa wo dwene sa Ghana man no eye fie na wo asese mu magimi too much yakoka mo se me nka wo de mo bi nka kwasesam wo ho mo bi nka kwasesam wo comment ni mu me de akofo de besi nche yeso ni mu na ma horo na sasapo aboafun kwasia gimifo mutise dan mutise wiase mo de munya botere de abande munya hu ya fe no ntonchen maka kire mo na akofo de baka kire se wo be teacher de yanya president yanya millionaire president de yedi ade ya billionaire mo de mo president de yedi adwale wiem na nya chimia oh wa batu aba ma MPP bi obi agimi MPP na NDC we are Ghana ni your freedom of party your freedom of political party be opebe betuma adwan but amembo we a MPP ni NDC bu yin sa we youth na obeto aba ma MPP fa obeto aba ma NDC fa wejimi true ye jimmy too much me ma to be that me jimmy pa me jimmy ye na me to ma aba ma MPP me jimmy pen na ma to ma aba ma NDC me hu say both two parties cannot save this country both two parties cannot deliver what the youth are demanding. Both two parties, they cannot deliver what the youth are demanding. Ma batina bemu sabim pinebesa. Sabim pinebesa. Jimmy yenu kwa siebin na muni meni. Ya fan saying, sa case no, yan kasa mkwechiri. Youth no na yan fa ya wajin. Na 2022, 2024, MPP na NDC. Yan so mu inangu dasbin mu kwa shwe mungu bola. Na yan free. That is our only option. Youth no yeah me say youth no yeah ya adwen say MPP na NDC we are voting these two political parties out of power and no problem san kofo yo mo ye nuanom so wadwen you say NDC MPP de mo ye enye nti ye tuom na de NDC aba NDC baba ba ya west mon kai say na Rollins na teso no ye NDC ni ye tu ni feso e de kofo ba ye no ye MPP ni ye tuom feso e de NDC ba bio ye tuom feso ye de MPP aba bio ye tuom feso a na ye kofa NDC ba bio a ye jimi papa ye Jimmy Samese afiwe ya to abanama MPP wabra na NDC for woso na ese party NDC party e bola na ye tugu ye na ye de MPP e ba ye na ye be hu se kufo so na ban ye bola ye tugu e kofa ankrata ba ye ankrata na ninu mahama omo batena so ye hu se omo ye bola ye tu omo gui na ye kofa akofo ado na ban e ba ye nti ye hu se omo ye bola dia e se ye dwene hu se these two parties they don't have any vision for this country. Amai na wuchiri wo mu no sanka wo pese wo se MPP ni NDC for enimi nyansa nka parliament anything ege sika e benefit pana events executives ni omonko anu they will reject it and tell you say boss baby ye didie ye nya dan tim ye gi we allowance the youth are suffering demanding face this country ehun ye say yan kwaji $28 million na from batokas ni yintwi nyensa bi enim. This is the time anka Ghana mpenifo amugu parliament, Ghana MPP na NDC amugu parliament, sanka mu nim nyansa ka sa mu gina na mukasa no youth ne bre into $28 million ne ya gia yamfa nko bi adwuma bi betuma employ youth 10,000 na enka kire youth ni say yasra mu sika ni wo na kaka yenya ye de ye nie kaka ni wo na sika ni wo kaka yenya ye de ye nie na mo ne yankasa abotayem na youth no samu beje sanyensa de we ya yenya ne ye na ye incite the youth against you no ya ye beka say impenifo so mo toto nema into youth ni yasra mu mo me yenya abotre na ndo mo da kwa Asante region e kire mo de ba Accra nyansasam mo ji da koto kasa dem e ba ye parliament enkwasefo mo ji atum mo ji $28 million mo me say and from e ba and from e ba sesam akọ bebi ni munyanwu and from e ba parliamentarians any executive any chief justice any akofo adom ni mpanifo and from e ba sesam akọ bebi ni munyanwu ya to aba mama youth no ebre e community e come to me di obi na dia aba na jimu nyina ya tuo e come to me di obi dia aba na jimu nyina ya nipakum e come to me di obi desert na wana jimu hwase the youth evu o desert nti sabi mpredasa ye yi kire Ghana penifo ati me yemu hyehye mo akwala na ot school technology keke computer mouse keke Ghana government can provide even chalk hey ebisa for mabre me the video nbe sia business no wo pesa wo register na man ye 0545996299 0545996299 business no wo frame a ebia magin chiremu but mabre Ghana penifo me si me di o machi and the video we nya ha na esa me ya no but aha na akama hye e kina mesi me bush wo me pia mu bush wo na chief justice enim yabo a sabe previous na bribe allegation no mababa scatter no mebaba skata no musedi a video no me ye no bush wa anoden chefie efie no nya me nkwa no metia nti mesra mo munya abotere ma me na mentoto niama sade be ya chena me video no professional na sade komando mu ni me no matemase wo so ahye video no ma me wo so ahye video no ma me no MPP no NDC rootman the devil I say no MPP no NDC I say good job boss thank you NDC and MPP are the same party their mission their mission is misusing the country's resources and economy. But they will say Roberta Omari, I say they are all looters. They will say, and Mr. Henry McCarthy, I say doing great job. Thank you, Madam. Also, I say, and I made that Empire Henry Asamoah, I say NDC and MPP are the same party. Now, I think, well. I say McCain, or say Michelle, boss TM Hamless, Michelle also. Hajia no baga wire. Hajia no baga wire. Michia wonso. Michio bibia business no. What person wo your business ni bia. Send me the business information. Number is 0545996299. Me do bia say 0545996299. Want to me share screen so we say your screen so na da. What like page like page no because your taba say the buy ba we notification na what your video say be bia when your video no. And after so me da West Africa Youth in penifo ina ase. Me di kan abo me di da mabre. Papa Laji, Mr. Say, Mr. Henry, Mr. McCarthy, Mr. Henry McCarthy, Mr. Fred, Mr. Yamiche, Ma Porsche, Unu, Midin Cheka Sema, Mubi, Mubiala, and the first Joseph, and Obibia, Mamma support and Mamma share videos. Mamma did your time also, and the answer fair and another. Intimate also be at the time. Now, would the attempt on Kabaji because I'm serious. Medo Biasi, and then Media, Odi, or the Bois, West Africa Youth, and the freedom fighters, Dr. Ren, Avram Bemoshe, Nana Shedi. Of your CSF, fire from above, amazing. Sugar drops, Mama Ba, 44, Etiako acid, Poltebri, Obi Pia, Medubiasi. When share video no, now face so, Kaka contribution, meant to me, you said that one amano, me pacha, Kaka contribution, ye tia, ewo, your friend saying, Hell on Earth, Hell on Earth TV, and ye tia. Kaka contribution no ewo am say oma ye fa say enu ba ko bi assign ne de assign ne Western Union intimation ne be yina me posti edama ye fa say bebia ekọ no na bibia ay kama sa wo pese e bia unim Hello TV na wo pese wo send ne man wo frame a mama o telephone number wo be send out then we deliver time no so freedom fighters na ye beba life na obi ehu na yakọ present ama kaka nnebusiafo ojamba ejuma ye bia na ye ejuma oye ni bia na ye eduma ye bia na oya obonefo bi pɛ kwan koti kwan bi so eyi ne nkwa free wo wabra na ono ankasa embo ne bere nwie ye onye ne dwuma nwie ye obonefo bi na efa koti kwan bi so eyi ne nkwa free wo ya ma ne nua ne wu no enye useless ya so kakra ye betumi ya ye ene ye tita for de kakra ye betumi aye de aboa no moma yan boa na yentumi enkohwe ebusua ene emba oja omochire na bibia ene ekunafa oja omochire na bibia anye kama medom ase medo bibia ase Rashida